Here's a fun and convenient way to teach your child the alphabet and the phonetic sounds of each letter in the alphabet. You can do this during your child's bath time. You'll need is 1 to 2 sets of bath letters. 2 sets will allow you to spell out the words with multiples of one letter, but 2 sets are not required. And please clean and dry your letters after each use, and try to keep your child from chewing on the letters. This will keep the letters from clinging to the wall. All right, now on to the activity. Okay, here's for the first exercise in this activity, which is to introduce each letter to your child through song. And you're going to do this one letter at a time from your storage container. Hello, A. Hello, A. Hello, A. Hello, and welcome today. Hand the letter to your child and instruct them to stick it onto the bathroom wall. And you'll do this for the remainder of the alphabet, all the way to the end. And now that you have sang that hello song 26 times, now it's time to introduce your child to the phonetic sounds to each letter. And you can do this pointing to each individual letter and saying a word that your child's familiar with that begins with that particular letter. For example, C. C is for cat. K, cat. K, k. What sound does C make? K, k. Cat. And you do this for every letter of the alphabet, and you don't have to. You can just focus on introducing it to them. They may catch on to it easily for some letters versus other letters, but like I said, make sure you use words that your child is familiarized with, because that will make it so much easier for them to learn. Okay, now it's time for the spotlight letter. Now this letter can be the spotlight letter for as long as it takes for your child to identify the letter, both by sight as well as its phonetic sound. It just depends. Some can get it, and you'll find that sometimes your child will get it within just that bath time, that one bath time. So, and if they do proceed on to another letter, so that they can learn more than just that one letter, because sometimes you'll find that they can you can probably have 3 spotlight letters in one bath time session. Okay, so what you will do is first point to the letter. My spotlight letter is A. Ask your child what letter is that. If they don't know, just refresh their memory, and then do its phonetic sound, and then ask them, do you see any other A's? And once they answer no, they don't see any other letter A or wherever your spotlight letter is, then instruct them to tear down the other letters that are not the spotlight letter and put them into the water. This will clear your wall, and so that you'll have room for your next exercise in this activity. Okay, so here is the spotlight letter. And with this exercise, you want to make sure, again, that you pick words that your child is familiar with, whether it's somebody's name or an item that you always refer to, or whatever words that you use in front of your child a lot and that they're familiar with. Make sure you use those words, because again, that will help with the learning process, because the whole thing is to teach your child the alphabets and its phonetic sounds. Okay, so what I do is say, I know a word that starts with a arm, arm. And then you pull the letters out of the water, and it's important for you to do this of the first few times so your child can get a hang of it. R, M, arm, arm. What sound does A make? And A-R-M. You spell out the word. And you continue to do this with however many words you want to do until your child gets the hang of it. They may get it during this bath session or another bath session. It doesn't matter, just as long as they're learning. Yeah, and that's about it for this exercise. All right, now that you're done with your spotlight letter or your spotlight letters, it's time for you to put the letters away. And this is an opportunity for you to review the letters with your child. And you're going to use the same exact song that you used at the beginning of this activity, but just substituting a couple of words. And here you go. And have your child, you can pick up the letters, and your child can pick up the letters, or you can hand the letter to your child. You can do it any kind of way, or you can mix it all up. So that your child can be familiar with the whole idea is just to get your child familiar with the letters. Bye bye I, bye bye I, bye bye I, we'll see you again. Bye bye J, bye bye J, bye bye J, we'll see you another day. And you'll continue this for every letter of the alphabet until there are no more letters. Well, I hope you enjoyed this fun activity with your child, and do it as often as possible throughout the week. Remember, the more often you do it, the better your child will remember and learn the letters. Another thing is make great conversation with your child. Well, not great conversation, but make sure you talk with your child so that you can help build up their vocab and help them to also have confidence in expressing themselves. And that's another way of them building up their their vocab. And another way that they will be exposed to letters and words is reading. Reading is very important, so please read to your child as often as possible. That will also help with them learning their letters and even words, of course, comprehension, expressing themselves, and building a great bond with you. Well, that's all I have to say, and thank you for watching once again. I appreciate that. Please subscribe and like this video so that others can see this video, and share with friends and families. All right, and watch it as often as you need. Thanks. Bye.